How to help your child understand math? There are many ways to help your child with math. You can help them by doing the math problem with them, or you can teach them how to do it themselves. You could also use a tutor like a math tutor to teach your child how to do the math problem. But the best way for you to help your child with math depends on what kind of person they are. Parents should remember that there is no one size fits all answer when it comes to helping your child with math. What works for one child may not work for another child. There are two different approaches to learning math. One is the traditional approach where the child is given a set of exercise and they have to solve them. The other one is the problem solving approach where the child has to identify what type of problem it is and then solves it. The first step is being able to recognize what your child needs help with and then finding a tutor that can provide that. Identifying their strengths and weaknesses in math is a good way to help students find out what they are good at and what they need to work on. Every student has a different way of learning and understanding math. It is important that teachers understand and approach the student in a way that will help them to understand the concept. Some students learn better by doing, while others need someone to teach them how to do it. Some are good at remembering formulas, while others need to see the formulas over and over again. A teacher should know how each of these students learn in order to provide them with the right kind of support. It is important that the children are given the kind of support when they are learning about mathematics so that they can be able to understand what is going on and not get frustrated. And there are many distractions in kids' life, and it is quite difficult for them to stay focused on one thing. But with some effort, this can be achieved. Here are some tips that can help your child understand and finish their math homework in less time. Help them to break down the problem into smaller pieces. Make them learn using visual experiences. Clarify any doubts they have about the problem. Help them to solve the problem by asking them questions such as what do you know and what do you need. Encourage them not to use a calculator for basic calculations, giving them plenty of opportunities for practice. Give them real-time mathematical case studies to solve. Practice enough worksheets on every mathematical topic. Children often have the impression that they are not good at math. There are many reasons why people feel that they are not good at math. They might have been told by a teacher or parent that they were not good at math, or they may have had a bad experience with it in the past. Communicating that you believe they can be successful in math is an important way of helping them to overcome this fear. There are two ways you can do this. Firstly, by telling them how successful and talented people who excel in math are. Secondly, by talking about the importance of mathematics in areas like science, engineering, business, and other fields.
If your kid requires additional help in math, we are here to help you. Contact us today.